So today I wanted to do something kind of different. Well, actually not today, this week I wanted to record my outfits and show you guys what I wear in a week. And I know that we're in quarantine, but for me, I honestly cannot wear sweatpants all week because I will actually get depressed. Like, I just can't handle it. I need to get dressed and start my day off as if it was normal. So this is just me, what I wear in a week, and I hope you guys like it, find it inspirational, and let's just get started. So here's the outfit I wore on Monday, and Monday was just a really chill day for me. I mean, I'm in quarantine, there's not a whole lot to do, but I had a video lecture for my sculpture class in the morning, and then I pretty much just worked on my sculptures the rest of the day. So I wanted something just really cute and comfortable, so I threw on this oversized t-shirt and just a really simple dress, and I really like this combination because it ties in with the black with the dress, but it's just really cute and comfortable, and I did style it with shoes even though I didn't leave the house. And I wore it with some really casual jewelry, my favorite bracelets, and some cute little earrings. And yeah, that was pretty much Monday. So Tuesday was a really similar style day. I also had another video lecture for my oil painting class, and then I just kind of worked on my painting skin all day. Tuesday ended up being really hot. It was like 90 something degrees, so I wanted something really light and comfortable. So I wore this really cute top that I made a few years back, and these shorts that I also made, and I also put a little hair tie in to tie it all in. Hair tie. I'm so funny. And then I'm also wearing my favorite pearl earrings and like this really cute necklace that has like a similar pearl detail, and my bossy bracelet. On to Wednesday. Wednesday I didn't really have anything I had to like get up and do, so I just slept in, and yeah, I pretty much just lounged around the house all day, and then my mom forced us to like play badminton at night, so. And then I drank way too much apple juice that day too. So I just put on this really cute white blouse I bought at Target a few years ago, and my favorite jeans with an adjustable waistband. Like, they're super high-waisted, super comfortable. And then I wore the same bracelet from yesterday, same sneakers as yesterday, just my basic white ones. And then for jewelry, I'm wearing these really cute floral blue earrings I made, and they're also available on my Etsy shop if you want them. But I actually ended up really loving this outfit. It's gonna be one of my regular repeats, I can tell you. For Thursday, again, it was really chill. Most of these days I was just lounging around the house, like, sorry I'm not very interesting. So for Thursday, I wore these overalls that I made last year when I was like very inspired by Mamma Mia and like needed them immediately. And then I wore this really cute strawberry tank top with it, and I put a little pink tie in my hair too to color coordinate the top. And yeah, I was just mostly chilling around the house. I did like some paper crafting later in the day and like voice called my friends and stuff, like trying to stay connected. And then I wore some really cute pink sparkly earrings, my bossy bracelet again. So honestly, on Friday, I was just like not in a good mood. I was just like not vibing with Friday. So I just threw on a really basic oversized t-shirt and my jeans again. And I even tied my hair up in a bun, which rarely happens. You know, I was really out of it on Friday. Also, if you notice the sun on my mirror, it's from a puppet show I had to record for my students. And I ended up just sticking it up on my mirror. So, and I forgot to take it down, so enjoy it. And then I just wore my favorite like black Converse style sneakers. And I wore these really cute star climber earrings, which I like for lounging around the house because they're not like smacking me in the face, but they're still like, you know, unique and interesting. And then I also wore this really cute pressed pansy necklace, and it's like a real flower, and I think it's really cute. So for Saturday, you guessed it, I lounged around the house some more. I just worked on my paper craft, I went for a walk, just basic quarantine things. Also, here's my doggo, because she's really cute and I love her. So I just put on my favorite overalls because they make me really happy, and I made these really recently. They're just like this really comfy corduroy fabric, and then I paired it with this oversized strawberry t-shirt, and then I also paired it with these pink sneakers because they match the pink of the t-shirt, and I even threw on a scrunchie because I'm basic. And then I wore these really cute earrings and this ear cuff that I made. And that was it for Saturday. So for Sunday, the last day, I wore this really cute blue-red knit sweater, and I paired it with these black jeans, and I just tucked in the front, and I think it's really cute. Also enjoyed this clip of me finding something weird in my pocket and kind of freaking out because I was very confused. Again, nothing really eventful happened on Saturday. I watched a ceramics show over Zoom for my class. And I really like this sweater because it has this oversized sleeve detail and I think it's really cute. And again, I just threw on those black sneakers. And then to tie in the red, I also was wearing these really cute watermelon earrings that I got for $1 at Forever 21, which was like one of my favorite finds. And that concludes my last outfit. Alright, so it is a wrap on my week, and I hope you guys liked what I wore. I tried really hard not to wear anything that I wouldn't normally be wearing. Try not to get any dressier than I usually do, but I really like getting dressed in the morning. It makes me really happy. So, not giving it up this quarantine, still getting dressed every day, trying to look good for myself, and I just hope that you guys found some like really good outfit inspiration, or you know, maybe it inspired you to like get dressed and just have fun with it. That's what clothing is for. That's why I like it so much. So if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. I am trying really hard to post a new video every Friday, so hopefully I will see you in my future videos. Bye!